Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Spline login issues. So if you can't sign into your account, your login page keeps loading, or you're getting authentication errors. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through the best fixes step by step in 2026. First, make sure your email address and password are correct. Yeah, even a small typo or accidental space can stop you from logging in successfully. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password option and reset it through your email. This is usually the fastest way to regain access to your account. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, slow or interrupted internet can prevent Spline from verifying your login request properly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, outdated login sessions or corrupted browser data can sometimes break authentication systems. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or browser extension, try disabling it temporarily. Some security systems may block sign-ins from unusual locations or interfere with login pages. Next, try signing in using another browser or device. I mean, sometimes compatibility issues with one browser can stop Spline from loading correctly. If nothing works, check whether Spline servers are down or contact support directly. Yeah, if there's a platform outage or account-specific issue, support can help you recover access faster, and that's basically it. Those are the best ways to fix Spline login issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you access your account again smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.